To add an image from your gallery to your always on display in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. Tap clock style. Next, tap image clock tab. Select gallery. If it's the first time, you might be asked about which app you like to use for this action. Select gallery. Next, navigate to the image in your gallery that you'd like to add to the always on display. And then tap done button to save the change. The selected image from your gallery will be added to your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.